Some of the coldest weather of the season is going to be arriving this weekend. We've gone ahead and issued an alert day late Sunday, Sunday night, and into Monday. And the impact really is going to be the bitter cold wind chill, along with the first snowflakes of the season. This is going to be a shot straight from the Arctic. This is going to be bringing temperatures back into the 20s by the time we reach Monday morning, and the wind chill factor likely even colder than that, in the teens out the door Monday morning. Make sure you have that winter coat ready to go. So here's the impact. The cold blast really is going to be arriving Sunday morning. It really intensifies Sunday night into Monday. First snowflakes of the season. It is possible we get minor accumulations. We're looking at mainly a coating of light snow, but that could create some slippery travel very early Monday morning. And grab the winter jackets. You're going to need them as the deep wintry chill settles in.